Garlic is a simple ingredient present in every kitchen. Nowadays, in social media, there is a claim that garlic is an antibiotic. So let's find out whether this statement is truth or myth. What scientific research says about it? Scientists have studied garlic in details to find out its effect on microbes. It has been found that garlic contains several sulfur compounds, and one of the most important one among them is allicin. Actually, allicin is not present in the whole garlic. It is only produced when garlic is crushed or chopped. A chemical reaction takes place where allicin present in the garlic gets converted into allicin by an enzyme called allinase. Now, this molecule, allicin, is responsible for many of garlic's health benefits. Allicin can damage bacteria by interfering with their essential proteins. In simple words, I can say that it disrupts the machinery of the bacterial cell and make it harder to survive and multiply. From multiple research studies has been shown that garlic shows activity against bacteria like E. coli and Staphylococcus, fungi like Candida. Lab studies clearly show garlic can slow down or stop certain microbes. So based on these results, let's separate myth from truth. The statement that garlic can replace medical antibiotic is a myth. The truth is, most of these effects are seen in only laboratory studies, and above that, in the human body, the effect is much weaker. Garlic cannot treat serious infection on its own. Garlic has antimicrobial properties, but it is not a substitute of antibiotic. Research studies on garlic also suggest that it supports immune system, reduce inflammation, help improve heart health, and can provide antimicrobial protection. So the role of garlic is supportive, not curative. So my final verdict, is garlic a natural antibiotic? This statement is partly true, but not completely. It has antimicrobial properties, but it is not a replacement of medical treatment. Garlic is helpful, but it is not a substitute for medicines such as antibiotic. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and share with your friends and family. It will help us to reach more people like you.